Drumettes and wingettes tossed in a poultry and pork rub seasoning, grilled tender and juicy, brushed with a tangy, little bit of heat barbecue sauce. Your hungry crowd will always come running for these perfectly prepared grilled chicken wings. Serving tender, juicy wings is always a great idea, especially during warm weather months, and it's a pretty casual kind of meal, right? We're gonna eat the wings with our hands. You don't need much more, maybe a coleslaw, a bag of chips, and then a really delicious blue cheese dip. More about that in a second. So what is it? What does it take to make tender wings? First, it's the wings themselves. It's also about a really great seasoning for them. It's about the temperature of the grill, the cooking method, and then an exceptionally flavorful sauce to go with. Here, why don't I just show you how to make perfectly grilled chicken wings? Let's start with the grill. We recommend grilling wings on a gas or charcoal grill, and we'll be doing a two-stage grill process. So leave the heat off on the right side of your grill, but turn the left side onto high, lid goes down, get that grill preheated to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 260 degrees Celsius. Now, while the grill is coming to temp, let's prep the chicken wings. This recipe was crafted using 2 pounds of chicken wings, enough for 2 to 3 guests. If you're serving more, double the quantity. When you speak with your butcher, buy an equal quantity of plump, meaty drumettes and wingettes. This is the term for the 2 parts of the chicken wings when they're divided. Give the wings a pat dry with paper towel to remove excess moisture, then place them into a large bowl. Now we need to season the wings. Drizzle maybe 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, then the seasoning. Grab a favorite poultry seasoning. I just so happen to have one right here that I love. The Weekend at the Cottage Poultry and Pork Seasoning. Directions are 2 teaspoons per pound of chicken. So 4 teaspoons go on the wings. Hands are clean. We're gonna toss the wings to coat. Next, let's head to the grill. We've got a platter for when the wings are done, the bowl of sensationally seasoned wings. You'll need a barbecue sauce. Our original barbecue sauce has just a tiny bit of sweet, the right amount of heat. You'll need a basting brush and tongs. The grill is at temperature, so we lift the lid, place the wings onto the grill, give each a bit of room on the grill, then close the lid and grill for 3 minutes. At the 3-minute mark, notice the wings are not sticking to the grill because the barbecue was nice and hot when they first went on. Give them a flip. We're gonna close the lid. Let's cook for 3 minutes more. Okay, here's your big aha moment, or at least it was my big aha moment. We've been cooking the wings on the left side of the grill over direct heat. We're now gonna shift them to the right side of the grill, indirect heat. So when the lid comes down, barbecue goes back up to 500 degrees. The wings are going to cook perfectly with all that air circulating around them. Let's do that. Lid goes up, wings go from direct heat side over to the indirect heat side. Let's then give them a brush with our absolutely delicious original barbecue sauce. Bring the lid down. We're gonna cook for 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes, we flip the wings, brush them with sauce again, lid comes down, and you're gonna cook for 3 minutes more. So the total cook time for the wings is 12 minutes, or you can use a probe thermometer. Your goal temperature, 175 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 79 degrees Celsius. Taking them off the grill, look how perfect this little guy is. Tender, juicy, flavorful, grilled to perfection. I always give the wings another swipe of barbecue sauce right before serving them to my patient crowd of wing-loving friends and family. Last thing to serve, just remember, go easy. Serve a creamy coleslaw, maybe a bag of chips, crudité, but for sure, make this creamy blue cheese dip. Because there's nothing like dipping these sensationally seasoned, barbecue sauce dripping, perfectly grilled chicken wings in blue cheese dip. So fab. But wait, full recipe is up at weekendатthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video and the video for that blue cheese dip on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when wings are this wonderful, take a picture of them, post them on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@the-cottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Perfectly prepared grilled chicken wings. Consider me your wingman on grill tips, and consider this your next must-make recipe. Get to it. He dips. Oh my God. Oh, this is so good. I can't double dip, so I'm gonna enjoy this wing as is. Yay. Perfect.